Greetings and welcome to another edition of Birdview tutorials and feature enhancements. In this edition, we will focus our attention on Birdview guest user access. A guest account can potentially be extended to a vendor, a supplier, and a client. Let's take a deep dive into what the guest user account can offer you. Let's begin by logging in to Birdview. A Birdview licensed user must set you up with a guest account. Once you've been identified as a guest user in the system, you are granted exclusive access to a specific activity or a project that you have been assigned to. So let's take a look at the login information. Your email address is your unique identifier. Your password is a password that you set up as part of your login process. Once you've logged in, you can now explore all the different activities that you have been assigned to. So let's get right to it. Your collaboration with a Birdview licensed user begins with the guest portal page. Here, you get to see all of your different activities that you've been assigned to across the different projects, listed out by those that are considered active, i.e. in progress, versus those that are completed. You have the ability to search. You also have the option to group your specific activities by different variables. Our recommendation is to go with grouping by the end date. This allows you visibility into overdue tasks, which is very, very critical when you are collaborating against a specific timeline. In addition, your header menu also offers you the toggle to have visibility into activities that don't have an end date. To the right of the guest portal is this bell notification icon that allows you to receive notifications from Birdview licensed users on the specific activities that you are collaborating on. We segregate this notification across 3 different folders: the inbox, to receive and support new notifications. Once these notifications have been addressed and dealt with, you can easily move them to the archive folder, and they now live in the archive folder. The stream serves as your live feed for the different communications that you have been experiencing across a specific activity on a given project. As a guest user in Birdview, you have the flexibility to customize your experience. It begins with the guest portal. Here, Mike Morano, as a guest user, would like to move his project information to the far left. Simply click and drag. Now, your project precedes the name of the activity, followed by the status, its priority, and the corresponding dates. In addition, you can also click on your username and enhance your experience by clicking on My Settings. You have the option to upload an avatar to identify you easily, select your notification preferences, enable push notifications across these different browsers, and also turn on your email notification so you don't miss a single notification when it comes to app messages, for app mentions, approval requests that you've been called upon, and new assignments that have been assigned to you. An advanced setting option allows you to choose your preferred language. As a guest user, you are not just limited to the guest portal, but you can also leverage the custom forms and shared project snapshots. The custom form allows a licensed user in Birdview to be able to create a unique form and share that form with you as a guest user. In this instance, Mike is allowed to submit project requests using this project intake form. Simply click on Add a Record, complete the fields, and submit. In addition, when you click on Shared Project Snapshots, here we support a Gantt view of a specific project. In this instance, there's a snapshot that was taken on November the 29th for the Atlantic Shipyard project. Simply click and you get to see the specific project timelines that were shared by a licensed user. Working in the guest portal has never been easier. When you are assigned to a specific activity, you will get to see it in the portal page under the Active Sort option. Here, you get to click on your specific activity, and we provide you with this embedded view of the specific information that's been shared by the licensed user. You get to see some critical information at a glance: the name of the project, the title of the task, who was the author of the project, when was it created, what was the corresponding ID number if you prefer to search again by ID or by name, the date information, the calendar duration, any progress that's been made on the specific activity, a description of the activity, and any of the specific messages or files that have been shared across that specific activity that you are collaborating on. In addition, the same information is also available at the project level. The difference, however, you also get to see custom fields. If there is a custom field that has been configured, in this instance, the HubSpot ID field, if that information has been configured by the licensed user, you have visibility into that as a guest user that is collaborating on the specific project and task information. When we take a closer look at the activity, we also see messages that are posted through internal channels that you get to share and collaborate on. One of these messages also happens to be an approval. You could be called upon as a client to approve a specific aspect of the work that has been done by a licensed user in Birdview. Select the specific image to approve. Once confirmed, you have the option to approve or reject or post a comment and let the individual know of the changes that need to be made. When describing changes, you may want to draw the attention of a specific user. In this instance, click on the @ symbol, type in the name of the specific user as it appears in their username, and post your specific message to that user. You also have access to AI if you wish to leverage AI to type in a specific message. Attaching a file has never been easier. Use the paperclip icon, choose My Computer to upload any files you wish to collaborate on for this specific activity pertaining to the Peer 19 review, in this instance for Mike Morano. Once you are done with your assigned piece of work, you have the option now to click on the I'm Done button. However, if there are other resources that are attached to this specific activity, when you click on Complete It, it will show that this specific task has been completed by you, but there are other resources that are working on the Birdview system that have not completed their assigned work. Once they have all done their bit of work, this status will automatically update to a completed status. And there you have it. Navigating through the guest portal and guest user access has never been easier. Once you have successfully completed your assigned task, be sure to log out, click your username, and choose the logout option. We hope you're able to leverage this great new functionality. As always, please continue to share your suggestions or feedback by emailing us at success@birdviewpsa.com. Thank you.